the drama that comes with playoff volleyball. You just gotta love it. Good evening, everyone. There are a total of 5 Class B teams in the non-traditional volleyball district in the UP. Kingsford defeated Menominee on Monday to set up a meeting with the Eskimos in the district semifinals. Flivers head coach Jacqueline Kreider watched her team win the first set 30-28. In set number 2 is where we pick up things. Escanaba's Alyssa Polquin delivers an ace to get things started. Kingsford counters though with an ace of their own courtesy of Ellie Gehring. That ball hits the floor. Escanaba enjoyed an 8-7 lead in set number 2 as Alyssa Polquin is going to send it over to Jessica Gill for the kill as that slam falls inside with plenty of real estate to spare. More from the Eskimos coming up, well, right about now. Polquin is going to leave it for Haley Waters, and that makes it 10-7. Escanaba. After that, though, the Flivers took over. Sammy Lindemann goes all the way over to the left side for Ellie Gehring, who gets the ball by the Eski block attempt. Kingsford would end up winning sets 1, 2, and 3 to take the match, putting them in the district championship game against, well, let's find out. Down the road at Gladstone, the Gladstone Braves took on the Houghton Gremlins. We pick up the action in the third set. The Braves down 2 sets and 20-7 in set number 3. Kelsey Fournier sets up Lexi Hongesto on the left side for the kill. Houghton, though, would respond as they had done all match long. Lisa Keskamaki to Emma Huta, and that one goes straight to the hardwood. Now Sydney Dillinger is wound up with the game-clinching kill here as the Gremlins shut out the Braves 3-0. Houghton will play at Kingsford against the Flivers Friday night for the district title.